Hello, what's up YouTube? And this is Joshua for yet another tutorial on Photoshop CC, and this is the continuation of our photography series, which is our photography tip number 3, and we're going to be talking about or teaching frequency separation technique. Okay, this technique has been taught in different areas on YouTube by different accounts, by different channels, and people come to me and tell me, okay, how can I do this and make my pictures look better? Well, this is the tutorial, and in the next couple of minutes I'm going to be showing you how to do this frequency separation technique. So let's begin. So first of all, we're going to start by duplicating this layer, our normal layer, our picture layer. Duplicate it twice by pressing or holding Ctrl J twice. Okay, and now rename your layers. Call the first one low frequency blur, and the next one high frequency texture. Okay, so to start, we have to click on the low frequency blur layer, the filter, click on your filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and you have to turn off this layer first. Make your blur layer active. Click on your blur, Gaussian blur, and adjust it till it's a little visible, but at least some of the pores and scars are removed. Okay, next we'll go to our high frequency texture layer, and then we'll click on apply image. Make sure the layer that has been selected is your low frequency blur layer. Your blending mode set to subtract, the scale to 2, offset 129, then opacity 100%, and click OK. And then select your blending mode, click on linear light, and yeah, looks like we haven't done anything, but it's just baby steps. So next we have to start marking out the areas we want to smoothen out using our lasso tool. So mark out this layer, and with this part, make sure your low frequency layer has been selected. Let's start with the forehead. Mark out the forehead. Okay, so right click on this, you see a feather. Click on feather, can select any value you think will be right. I usually use 50.2, though it depends on, most times it depends, but 50.2 is what I use. Okay, so go back here, click on your Gaussian blur, then I think this is fine. Okay, we've done that. Move to the cheek. Please try and avoid the hair. In some other areas you do not want to smoothen out. In this case, I have to avoid the leaf. Just try your best to make it as okay as possible. Again, click on your feather. Okay. Filter, Gaussian blur. That's smooth enough. Can we do this bit? The other cheek. Avoid the eyes. Okay. Again, same step. Feather. Okay. Gaussian blur. And think here. Before, after, before, after. And next, we have to work on the nose. To work on the nose, we have to click on the high frequency texture layer. Select your clone stamp tool. Clone the smooth area by holding Alt and clicking on any smooth part of the face. Then start clicking on the nose to smoothen it. Just smoothen it as much as you can. Don't make it too artificial. See, keep it real. Keep it as real as possible. Okay. Before, after, before, after, before, after. Next, we have to try again to remove some spots from the face, and to do that we'll need our spot healing tool. So on an area and just paint both the spots you want to remove. Just try and remove as many as you can. Don't make it artificial. Like I said before, don't make it artificial. No one wants the face to look elastic. Have some hair here. Remove that. So next, just to play around with it a little more, let's try to make the eyes pop a little more using our dodge and burn. Click on your dodge first and paint over the eyes, the white part of the eyes, which is I think it's called cornea or something. Click and paint over it. Don't make it artificial. And then let's use our burn to paint over pupil. Too dark, I think. Dodge. Okay, so now just to make it look a little even better more, let's try color grading it. It's now hue and saturation. I did a tutorial on this earlier. That was our photography tip 2. If you haven't watched it, please do. I think I'll put a link below for you to watch the video. And as I taught earlier, you hold your control key, click on the color and drag to adjust the hue, and let's drag to adjust the hue. Okay, and I think we're done now. It's all good. A little lens correction, a little vignette won't hurt. Okay, and we're done. So this is our before, this is after. Before, after. And see, the eyes are popping more now and the face is smooth. So there it is, guys, our separation technique, the separation technique, and I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned a lot. I will continue with our photography tip series and with more. Comment below if you want to learn other things I can do tutorials on. So, and I'll comment as fast as I'll reply your comment as fast as possible and get onto the tutorial. So please like, comment below, hit the subscribe button, like this video, like this video, hit the subscribe button, share with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you and God bless.